Hello everyone. Today I will introduce how to use Haiwell VPN pass-through function to remote PLC. So first, we need to confirm that our intelligent device are connected through Ethernet and communicate normally. Also, the intelligent device router mode is turned off. The computer firewall is turned off. And the intelligent device is already bound successfully to our Haiwell account. Okay, let's see our project. This is the PLC that we want to remote. And this project has been downloaded to the device, and need to confirm the communication between the devices is normal. Next, we can connect the PLC remotely through the pass-through function of the intelligent devices. Just log in your account in the Cloud Manager. And select the corresponding platform here. Find the device and click this button. Choose the PLC you want to remote. Click the VPN mode and start pass-through. For the IP address, we need to fill in the address that is in the same network segment as the PLC, but does not conflict with the field device. Here we can enter 192.168.130.2. For the subnet mask, we can enter 3.255 and 0. And choose the port. Click OK. After that, we can check the network status. Just click the Change Adapter options. Click the Tap Windows Adapter V9. Click Details to check if IPv4 is the address we set. If the setup is successful, we can make a remote connection to the PLC. Just open PLC software, and click the button to Online PLC. Fill in the actual IP address of the PLC here, and click Online. It can be seen that we can remotely connect to the PLC and perform operations. And this is our VPN pass-through function. If you want to know more, please let us know in the comments section. Haiwell, leading the new era of IoT.